report 21006 runway 4 left, clear for takeoff. 1233 Newark Tower, caution wait turbulence, runway 4 left, minus some wind.
That's 4 left, United 1233.
2155, contact the air departure 192, good day. 192, 2155. 219.2. Good night. Next 2 for 2138 with 1005, runway 4 left, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff 4 left for 2138. American 2676, Newark Tower, runway 4 left, line up and wait. 4 left, line up and wait, American 2676. Is that last call? Jazz 880, Julia. Yep, just hold there, short of 4 left, Jazz 880. Short 4 left, Julia, Jazz 880. Jazz 880 cross, runway 4 left on Juliet and contact ground. Gulf Road, Juliet. Gulfstream G5 Papa, cross runway 4 left on Whiskey, right on Sierra, and stay with me. Hold 2138, contact departure, 119.2 today. Okay, for 213. Takeoff Papa on Sierra, cross runway 11, then it'll be Zulu 5 to signature. You familiar?
Yep. Vamos a volver a dar toda la vuelta a la mierda, ¿no? Ah, no.
No.
Papa 3 Kilo, hold short, runway 4 left.
Estamos autorizados el cruce.
Sí.
Alaska 290 companies push back. As soon as they call out, I'll get you moving. Alaska 290, thank you. I was just saying that companies push back in the alleyway there to give you an idea on the timeline. Call back when they come out of the alley.
Really? Really?
American 2676, wind 1006, runway 4 left, clear takeoff. 4 left, clear takeoff, American 2676.
Ay, su falta para atrás, para
No, solo 5 hasta ahí.
4 left, line up and wait, Jazz 945.
Aquí mismo,